Japandi Bathroom Design 2025, Minimalist Bathroom with Natural Stone and Wood Elements. Welcome to the serene world of Japandi design. In this video, we present the ultimate inspiration for a Japandi bathroom design in 2025. A perfect harmony of Japanese minimalism and Scandinavian functionality. Blending clean lines, calming tones, and natural textures, this design style creates a tranquil retreat that promotes relaxation and simplicity. Discover how to elevate your bathroom with natural wood, stone elements, and neutral palettes, while embracing the core philosophies of Wabi-Sabi and Hygge. What is Japandi style? Japandi is a fusion of Japanese Zen and Scandinavian simplicity. It focuses on natural materials like wood, stone, and bamboo. Functional beauty with minimalist furniture. Neutral color schemes inspired by nature. Soft textures and warm, cozy ambience. A blend of order, calm, and comfort. This style is ideal for creating a spa-like bathroom that's both elegant and practical. In this video, you'll explore sleek floating vanities in warm wood tones, natural stone sinks and countertops, minimalist Japanese soaking tubs, Ofuro style, Scandinavian style open shelving and storage, earthy color palettes, beige, taupe, stone gray, and soft whites, shoji-inspired partitions or screens, organic cotton and linen textiles, matte black or brushed brass fixtures, large format tiles and wooden slat walls, soft ambient lighting with a natural glow. Japandi bathroom design features natural materials, bamboo, oak, teak, concrete, linen, balanced layout, clean lines and uncluttered space, functional decor, beauty meets usability, soothing palette, inspired by nature, minimal ornamentation, focused on form and feel, greenery, add indoor plants for a peaceful biophilic touch. Why choose Japandi for your bathroom in 2025? In 2025, homeowners are turning toward intentional living, choosing design elements that not only look beautiful but feel good to live with. A Japandi bathroom is eco-friendly, with sustainable materials and efficient fixtures. Timeless, a clean aesthetic that doesn't go out of style. Calming, reduces visual noise and creates a restful atmosphere. Space optimized, especially ideal for small and medium bathrooms. Inspired by nature, bringing the outside in. Perfect for you if you're looking for Zen-inspired bathroom makeovers, modern spa-style home renovations, neutral-toned interiors with character, eco-conscious and sustainable design, Scandinavian Japanese fusion aesthetics, new 2025 bathroom trends with lasting appeal. Like if you love Japandi simplicity, comment your favorite Japandi feature. Subscribe for more modern home inspiration and interior design trends 2025. Share with friends planning a minimalist or spa-style bathroom remodel.